had the perfect end to my trip with my cousins. We packed our food and speakers, slid our feet into our shoes, and drove off for what I can call the best day of the trip. It was a brief getaway from the bustling city area for a calmer, more untouched piece of land where everything was gleaming with pride for being in its raw and most beautiful form. Look at these puppies. Everyone, so today is the last day and we are going to be spending it at my brother's farm. Look how beautiful that is. There's everyone. What did you hit?
Bye.
Because we can't keep setting songs every minute, so I thought let me find a playlist.
It's so sunny and warm today. We are going for boating now.
Get me a beer, na?
You're making me laugh, Mama.
Right?
Again.
दे दो सब काट दो क्या हुआ कृषि क्या हुआ हाँ
So cute.
bored you always bored only
It was a wonderful evening, just being with family, boating on a river under the setting sun, and the glittering sun rays caused by the waves So simple yet magnificent. And even though our motorboat was moving swiftly on the water, producing the sound that the motor does, it felt like white noise. And I soon found myself lost in deep thoughts. I think just like everyone else. We were just trying to take in everything that we were seeing. For a second, it just made us forget what is going on in the world.
Oh yes, there's the bird, kingfisher. Yes.
Being in a vast space of land with just a few humans around has always sounded like a thrilling and exciting idea in my head. And I got to experience that. I am now in the car.
और आप हैं?
And look at these puppies. Hello. Hello. Good job. It's getting really chilly, so I'm going to wear my woolens now. And I'll talk to you once I'm back with my brothers and sisters. See you. Take a look at this. घर से निकलने से पहले मीठा खा के निकलते हैं. The time has come for us to leave from our cousin's place. I'm quite upset. They pampered us so much, and it just doesn't seem like they are so elder to us. They're so much fun. She's my eldest Masi. This is my bhabhi. She's taken so much care of all of us. And it's her kids that we came to meet. I just think that I don't have the right words to explain my emotions well, but I had so much fun, and I don't think I will ever forget anything about this trip. Every minute that we spent here has been so wonderful. Thank you so much for following my vlog, and